Now this is a very special limited edition, one of 150 Maxlider Bronco Raptors. You've seen them on Barrett-Jackson, you've seen them at the major shows getting tons of attention, and I want to show it to you. This thing has 418 horsepower and 440 foot-pounds of torque, but we took the vehicle to an entirely new level, putting our Raptor package on it, which includes a leveling kit or lift kit, new wheels and tires, the Maxlider modular front bumper with brush guard, all kinds of LED lighting throughout the bumper, on the cowl, and then 15 LED cubes right here on top of the windshield. We've got the heavy-duty bumper to match in the back, our Maxlider support system for the tailgate to hold that big old tire, along with our Maxlider graphics package that makes this thing look like it's going 100 miles an hour even when it's sitting still.